Hello, students. Welcome back to our Human Physiology series. In earlier parts, we explored the digestive, respiratory, and circulatory systems. Today, we will study three more important systems: the excretory system, the nervous system, and the endocrine system. Together, these systems remove wastes, control our actions, and regulate growth and metabolism. Let's begin. The main function of the excretory system is to remove wastes, especially urea, from our body. Its major organs are kidneys, the chief filtering organs; ureters, tubes that carry urine; urinary bladder stores urine; urethra, the passage for removal. Each kidney has about 1 million nephrons, which are the structural and functional units. A nephron consists of glomerulus inside Bowman's capsule for filtration, renal tubule with PCT, loop of Henle, and DCT for absorption and secretion. The process of urine formation happens in 3 steps: filtration, small molecules like water, salts, and glucose enter Bowman's capsule. Larger proteins and cells stay in blood. Reabsorption, useful substances like glucose, amino acids, and water are taken back, mainly in the PCT and loop of Henle. Secretion, additional wastes and ions are secreted in the DCT. Finally, ADH hormone controls water reabsorption and maintains balance. 1. Filtration. Small molecules enter capsule, large proteins and cells stay in blood. 2. Reabsorption. Glucose, amino acids, salts, water reabsorbed in PCT and loop of Henle. 3. Secretion. Ions and wastes added in DCT. 4. ADH hormone controls water reabsorption. The nervous system helps us sense the world and respond quickly. It has two main parts: central nervous system, CNS brain and spinal cord; peripheral nervous system, PNS nerves. The functional unit is the neuron. A neuron has a cyton, cell body, dendrites to receive signals, and a long axon to transmit them. Signals pass from one neuron to another through a synapse using chemicals called neurotransmitters, for example, acetylcholine. The brain is protected by the cranium, skull, and 3 membranes called meninges. It has 3 main parts: forebrain, cerebrum, memory, intelligence, and voluntary actions; midbrain, reflexes related to light and sound; hindbrain, cerebellum for balance and posture; pons for breathing; medulla oblongata for involuntary actions like heartbeat, blood pressure, and swallowing. The spinal cord, protected by the backbone, conducts messages and also controls reflex actions. Brain parts: forebrain, cerebrum, memory, intelligence, senses; midbrain, reflexes to light and sound; hindbrain, cerebellum for balance, pons for breathing, medulla for involuntary actions like heartbeat. The spinal cord, protected by the backbone, controls reflexes. The spinal cord is a long, cylindrical structure made of nervous tissue. It runs inside the vertebral column, which acts as a strong protective bony covering. Just like a shield, the vertebral column ensures that the delicate spinal cord is not damaged. Apart from carrying messages between the brain and the rest of the body, the spinal cord has another very important function: it controls reflex actions. For example, if you accidentally touch something hot, your hand pulls back instantly even before the brain realizes it. This quick, automatic action is called a reflex, and it is coordinated by the spinal cord. Ma'am, is reflex action faster than normal brain control action? That's an excellent question. Yes, reflex action is much faster than normal brain controlled action. Here's why. In a normal action, the information travels from the sense organ to the brain processes it, and then sends a response back. This takes more time, but in a reflex action, the signal does not wait for the brain. Instead, it is processed quickly in the spinal cord. That is why when you touch something hot or sharp, your body reacts instantly, even before you realize what happened. So, reflexes are like the body's built in emergency system designed to protect us from sudden danger. Endocrine glands release hormones directly into blood. Pituitary, master gland, controls growth, other glands. Disorders, dwarfism, gigantism. Thyroid, thyroxine, controls metabolism, needs iodine. Deficiency, goiter, cretinism. Parathyroid, calcium and phosphate balance. Adrenaline, fight or flight. Pancreas, insulin lowers sugar, glucagon raises it. Diabetes from insulin deficiency. Testes, testosterone, male traits. Ovaries, estrogen and progesterone, female traits and pregnancy. Pituitary, master gland, controls growth, other glands. Disorders, dwarfism, gigantism. Thyroid, thyroxine, controls metabolism, needs iodine. Deficiency, goiter, cretinism. Pancreas, insulin lowers sugar, glucagon raises it. Diabetes from insulin deficiency. Conclusion. So students, we studied digestive, respiratory, circulatory, excretory, nervous and endocrine systems. All these systems work together to keep us alive. In our next class, we will solve exam-based questions. Thank you for listening. Jai Hind.